Joanne here, the finalist of Miss Universe Malaysia 2022. I'm here today at Glojas and I'm gonna do some treatment today. Let's go!
Hi Joanne, I'm Dr. Shireen. Nice to have you with us today. So I'm going to ask you a few questions about your concerns and then we can curate a treatment protocol for you today.
Well, that sounds like a really great plan. I can't wait to see the result. Hi, so this is me after treatment without any makeup and I feel so refreshed. So thank you so much, Glojas.